crime news. Now look at the headlines. Tarun Tejpal shifted to Sada Jail, gets 12-day judicial custody. Tarun pleads for a separate cell. Authorities put him in jail with 7 other inmates. Gay sex is illegal, criminal. Supreme Court pronounces on Wednesday LGBT community to intensify their legal fight, seek revision. Who provoked PC Rohan Naik to consume Ratol? Naik points at PI Uttam Rao Desai. Rohan blames Uttam for harassing him. Mahaday Tribunal team to arrive in Goa on Thursday. Inspection of all sites related to Mahaday. Team on 12-day crucial visit. And Sania Mirza gunning for favourable 2014 after reaping trophies in 2013. Tennis star Sania determined to reach world #1 position in doubles. Now news in detail. Rape accused Tarun Tejpal has got judicial custody for 12 more days. Crime Branch stated that custodial interrogation of Tejpal is complete and requested the court to send him to judicial custody. Tarun Tejpal pleaded before the court to lodge him in a separate cell in the jail. The court directed IG Prisons to lodge him in separate cell till Friday if it is feasible. But he was lodged in cell number 624 along with inmates who had fan and TV facility.
After completing 10 days of police remand, Tarun Tejpal on Wednesday was produced before JMFC court at Panji in sexual assault case. Crime Branch in its say submitted before the court stated that statements of 4 key witnesses have been recorded before the magistrate and all related evidences like clothes, mobile phone, computer, emails and text messages were seized during the investigation. Hence, Tejpal's further custodial interrogation was not required. Considering Crime Branch say, the court sent Tarun Tejpal in judicial custody for 12 days. Tejpal's advocate informed that they would file a bail application.
The court has granted 12 days judicial custody. Very soon we will be moving a bail application. Thank you.
Tarun Tejpal's contention before the court that as an investigative journalist, he has antagonized with many criminals, politicians and corporates. So he has threat of his safety and security. Tejpal demanded to lodge him in a separate cell in jail. The court has directed IG Prison to lodge him in a separate cell of the jail till Friday only if it is feasible. The court has asked Crime Branch and IG Prison to submit their say on keeping Tejpal in separate cell by next date of hearing, that is on Friday.
Later, Tarun Tejpal was lodged in Sada Jail at Vasco. According to sources, he could not get a separate cell. There are other 7 inmates with him in his cell, but he has relief that there is a fan and a TV in his cell. Tejpal will have jail food now as outside food is not allowed in the jail.
Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
Supreme Court has pronounced gay sex as illegal. On Wednesday, Apex Court set aside the Delhi court verdict on homosexuality. As per Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code, gay sex is a criminal act. Delhi court had earlier passed a pro-homosexuality judgment citing Section 377 was against fundamental human right and the basic necessities of humans. LGBT community is not ready to give in and is gearing up for a challenge.
Homosexuals issue come to the fore again as Supreme Court has pronounced gay sex as criminal act. Pro-homosexual verdict by Delhi court was quashed by Supreme Court on Wednesday, a major blow to the LGBT community.
Supreme Court has set aside the judgment of the Delhi High Court, which clearly shows that 377 is a valid, constitutionally valid provision of law. See, all the religious communities Muslims, Christians and all other religions had challenged the Hindus, had challenged the judgment of the Delhi High Court.
Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code terms homosexual relationship or any kind of licit relationship as illegal. Gay community had approached Supreme Court against the legal provision against them. NGBY community claimed that Section 377 came as a barrier between them and their freedom. Delhi High Court in the year 2009 had given some relief to the homosexuals. Later, few social groups approached Apex Court against homosexual sex, challenging Delhi High Court verdict. Supreme Court disposed of the bunch of these pleas on Wednesday. After the ruling of Supreme Court on Wednesday, the homosexuals have lost temper. The gay activists have decided to intensify the issue.
I'm completely shocked at the overturning of the High Court judgment. We are going to go out on the streets, we are going to go everywhere, and we are going to, carry this fight forward, so there's no question of it. I mean, this is not a battle that we are going to give up.
We have to read the judgment and come to the conclusion what is against us. But it is a setback as it appears on the face of it. Legal avenues open to us and we will certainly pursue them because I'm very confident that we will win this battle ultimately.
The government in the beginning took a stand opposing gay sex. After a lot of hue and cry by gay activists, government later changed its stand through an affidavit. Now the government has to nullify the Section 377 in IPC through a legalization to make gay sex in India legal. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Constable Rohan Naik has charged Kolwa Police Inspector Uttam Raut Desai for compelling him to attempt suicide. Constable Naik, while speaking to Prudent, has alleged the PI of conniving with gamblers and filing a case against him. Rohan's father has decided to file a complaint against the accused PI of harassment. The statement of Rohan Naik was recorded earlier on Wednesday. The DGP has sought report from the SDPO.
Constable Rohan Naik, attached to the Kolwa police station, attempted suicide by consuming poison on Tuesday. Constable Naik alleges continuous harassment by Police Inspector Uttam Raut Desai. Constable Rohan says he was threatened by the PI of Kolwa of filing an ex-party robbery complaint against him and put him in trouble. Father of Constable Naik has decided to file a complaint against the PI of Kolwa.
Harassment झाला police station मध्ये PI चा. कोण PI उत्तम राव केन्ना आयला पयर एक इन्सिडेंट जाल्लो तेका लागून काल मातसो इश्यू केलो बेस्टस म्हाजेर घातले पयशे काडले सो तितून कांयच नाशिल्लें तशें सो ते कोण आसा तो गॅमलिंग चलयता मंजू म्हणून ते कोण लागलो म्हाजेर कंप्लेंट दी चोरून येयले म्हणून हेका लागून हांव ब्लँक जालो आनी हांव स्टेप घेतले तुवें अशें तें गॅमलिंग चलतालें तें बंद केलें हांवें धाडून घातलेलें थंयसराचेर तेणें मागीर भलतेंच केलें हॅरेसमेंट जायत आशिल्लें म्हाका मागीर हांवें कितें करीत जाल्यार म्हाजीच मिस्टेक जाताली
म्हाका आतां तेका ऑब्जर्वेशन केलें तो म्हयनो जालो तो सामकोच मुडान ना आनी कसलेंच ताका हें जायनाशिल्लें म्हणजे घरा येतालो केन्ना वतालो जेवण आवय ताका सांग फाटल्या अरे जेव रे तूं कितें येतालो केन्ना वतालो आमकां कांयच कळना आतां म्हयनो जालो तो आतां सामकोच मुडान आशिल्लो टेंशन दिसतालें ताका खूब टेंशन दिसतालें ना खंय दिवना आमी आतां हेच मिडियांत हें करता न्ही म्हणून आमचें हें करपाक गेलो तुमी कंप्लेंट दितले हां कंप्लेंट दितले आमी हय.
Meanwhile, accused Police Inspector Uttam Raut Desai has refused speaking on camera regarding the accusations against him. Desai says he is open to any inquiry. DGP Kishan Kumar as well refused to speak on camera. However, he said, let the SDPO South, the investigating officer, inquire in the matter and give report. We will act accordingly. Reporters Samir Bhatt and Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Team of Mahaday Tribunal will arrive in Goa on Thursday on a 14-day visit. Team will visit Virdi and Kankumbi Dam and Karsa Bandura project. Tribunal officials will meet officers from Goa, Maharashtra and Karnataka. It will also inspect irrigation projects related with Mahaday. Team will leave from Goa on 24th December.
Mahaday Water Tribunal team is visiting Goa. State government and the activists are ready for a brief with data, arguments and counter-arguments. The tribunal team will arrive on Thursday. Environmentalist Rajendra Kerkar spoke to us regarding team's the 14-day schedule.
गोंयांत म्हणजे ज्यो म्हादयशी निगडीत योजना आसा पाणी शुद्धीकरण प्रकल्पाच्यो आनी जलसिंचनाच्यो तेची पाहणी करतले. मागीर महाराष्ट्रांतल्या विर्डी धरणान त्याच प्रमाणे कर्नाटकान जे सध्या कणकुंबे हांगासर जे कळसाचे काम चलयला
हय
तेची पाहणी करताले आणि ह्या संदर्भात वेगवेगळ्या अधिकाऱ्यांकडेन ते चर्चा करताले. गोवा, महाराष्ट्र आणि कर्नाटक या 3 राज्याचे जे संबंधित अधिकारी आसा तेंच्या कडेन ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टींची माहिती घेतली ते आणि मागे ते 24 तारखेक वयतले. मागीर आम्ही त्या संदर्भात एक सविस्तर निवेदन आणि वेगवेगळ्या पंचायतीचे ठराव किंवा जिल्हा पंचायतीचे ठराव हे सगळे घेवप चालू आसा आणि ते सगळे ठराव बी आम्ही घेऊन घेतले आणि हय तांकां दिताले आणि सरकारच्या माध्यमांतल्यान सरकारू तांकां आपली बाजू मांडटाले.
With Bureau Inputs, Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.